Hi, this is Councilmember Johnny Khamis, and I'd like to update you on what's happening with the COVID-19 outbreak. COVID-19 is a unique public health challenge that is unlike many we've ever faced. I encourage everyone to stay calm and follow the advice of our public health professionals and be safe out there. While you may not be at risk, you could pass it on to someone who is, like people with underlying health conditions and people over the age of 60. Also, be sure to have an adequate supply of essential items at home, but please don't hoard food and other supplies. Your neighbors and friends need the same supplies as you. Be a good neighbor. We're all in this together. Today, we've had several important updates from Dr. Sarah Cody at the Santa Clara Department of Public Health. Schools will be closed from now until April 3rd. Gatherings of over 100 people are prohibited. Gatherings of 35 to 100 people will not be allowed unless several safety conditions are met, including being able to measure the temperatures of every attendee before they enter the venue. Gatherings of fewer than 35 must participate in social distancing, which means staying 6 feet away from one another, and recommended hygiene practices such as hand sanitizers and other things. The city of San Jose is implementing a 30-day moratorium on evictions of renters affected by the COVID-19 outbreak. This is a temporary moratorium, and it does not eliminate the responsibility of the tenant on their financial obligations. Help is available for tenants and owners of small properties from various sources to help tenants stay in their homes. The city staff has put together a web page with resources for small businesses that have been affected by this pandemic. And the flag raisings we had planned in March and early April will be postponed because we cannot guarantee the safety if we get over 35 people or more at these events. Also canceled, unfortunately, are my community office hours this Saturday. So please make sure you don't come to this. I'm sorry for this, but it is the first time we've ever had to cancel due to this type of situation. More details of all of the city updates and links to tenant and small business resources will be available in my next newsletter, so please look for it. Our public health officials are doing their best to slow the spread of the virus so that our healthcare facilities and medical professionals are not overwhelmed with too many patients all at once. I'm sure you've heard many times how we can help by practicing social distancing, washing our hands regularly and thoroughly, avoiding crowded places, using a tissue or the crook of your elbow if you cough or sneeze, staying at home if you're feeling at all sick or feverish. COVID-19 can affect any one of us. It doesn't discriminate. It doesn't restrict itself to race, creed, color, or national origin. So please be kind to all your neighbors. Watch my Nextdoor Facebook and Twitter feeds for the latest information, and email us at district10@sanjoseca.gov if you have any questions, or visit my sjd10.com website for the latest updates. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your cooperations. This is Johnny Khamis.